Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Saucy Sean's Fine Eats, where we make real food for real people. So tonight, I'm continuing my outdoor cooking session and hoping that it doesn't rain. I'm trying a couple of things. I'm gonna do corn on the cob, gonna do some chicken wings, gonna do some breaded paneer. And that's what we're gonna start with here is the paneer. Because I'm not so sure how it's going to turn out. So here's a bit of warning for you. I'm cooking with hot oil over top of an open flame. It's dangerous. If you do this, be careful. Using a deep fryer is a much better idea. Just be careful when you're doing stuff. Don't hold me responsible if you catch your house on fire. So the key is to get the oil hot enough, but not too hot. You don't want it smoking hot. You just want to get it good and hot, probably about 400 degrees. Yep. And if you have a thermometer, you can measure it. I don't. So I'm just going to guess. So what I've done is I've made a dredge out of rice flour and cornstarch and white flour and some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and curry powder. And in here I've got egg, water, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, and a bunch of this dredge. So I'm going to go in here first, then into here, into the oil. And we're going to see how it turns out. The key with doing a cheese like this is that it needs to be fully covered. So I'm going to see just how this turns out. So I'm not sure what shape I'm going to do, but probably, how about rectangulars? How about we make it into deep fried paneer sticks? I'm not liking this weather at the moment. So we're going to get them into the dredge there, put them into this dredge, get them nicely covered. There we go, and I'm going to try putting one in, see if it's hot enough yet. No, it's not quite hot enough. But that's okay. We're just going to keep preparing a bunch of these. Because as you can tell, it means dirty, dirty hands. So, yeah, this is just kind of concept of something I wanted to try. So we're doing chicken wings tonight. We're doing this, corn on the cob. So we just experiment with some different foods. Oh, it's almost hot enough now. See if we can come up with something that we really like. And kind of my goal here is just to find stuff that we really like. So, of course, it's been nice and sunny most of the day, and now I think there's a storm blowing in. The real question is it going to hit here, or is it going to miss us? And that's a question I can't answer. So we'll see what happens. I know this isn't your kind of fancy cooking show. This is just real life. Saucy Sean sitting down. I wish I'm actually standing up and talking about how things go together. Oh yeah, look at that. That's starting to come up. So I've got this cool slotted spoon I'm going to use for this. And I'm going to get a bunch into the dredge here. Just get them all prepared. I'm a bit early with my cooking because I wanted to see how this went. So our dinner party is not for another half hour or 40 minutes. And everyone will be late as usual because it's all family. You know how that is, folks, right? It's not just a southern thing. So anyways, get them soaking in there. So this is just a really simple, you can use this as an appetizer. Paneer is a great source of protein, so you can use it as a kind of a main dish type addition for a vegetarian. It's an Indian cheese is what it really is, if you don't know what paneer is. A lot of Indian families will make their own, homemade, which I would love to try one day, and maybe I will. It's not going to take long to cook. A couple of minutes in there. Oh, that's turning out really good. So this, I was going to do this just totally gluten-free, this recipe today, but I decided I would actually do it with the white flour just to help bind it a bit more. But white flour and cornstarch will actually produce a really nice crispy crisp. You throw in regular white flour and cornstarch does that. Rice flour actually also can really do a kind of almost a chewy crisp. It's really good. I like it. And actually a lot of gluten-free chicken wings will use rice flour in their ingredients to instead of regular flour. So it's kind of a cool thing. I'm going to throw a couple more in there. I just want to slide them in gently. Your oil will cool a bit as you add stuff to it. That's okay. Look at this. Oh, does not look good. We're going to give that a go. So my plan for this is that it'll be eaten with, I'm going to let that cool for a couple minutes. Eaten with the same sauces we'll put on chicken wings. Barbecue sauces, hot sauces. Kind of as a dipping sauce for it. So this is like a fancy cheese stick. That's really good. You should try it. Oh, look at that. Nice golden brown. You know, making these dredges took me maybe 5 minutes. Saw how long this took to cook. It's a really quick and easy thing to put together for company or for part of a meal. Oh. So good. Anyways, folks, hope you enjoyed this. I have enjoyed making it. I'm enjoying eating it. We're going to bring some more out. And, yeah. Come back and watch some more videos. Like this, share it. This is really good. Really good. Worried about this weather. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like and share this video. If you have any comments, please make them. But be really careful if you do this. I've got 2 to 3 inches of oil in here. If it boils over, it's fire time. So yeah, be careful and be safe. Talk to you later. Okay, so here we have a pot full of breaded fried paneer. Look at that. Isn't that great? Over here, look at that pot of corn. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Just needs some butter, some salt, some pepper. That's how to enjoy corn on the cob. This will be really good tonight. Hope you enjoyed the video.